Now let's talk about question 3. Question 3 is asking whether you know the properties of random variables, which in especially its mean, variance, and covariance, as well as normality. So let's go through the options one by one. For A, it's saying that if y is not normally distributed, x will also be normally distributed. If you think about it, it could actually be a standardization of x. Hence, both variables would be normally distributed together. A is true. B is trying to test for the variance of y. The variance of y is equals to b squared the variance of x. Hence, B is false. C is a bit tricky. There was no mention that the constants a and b must be positive. Hence, it is likely that a and b could be negative. If a and b are actually negative, the expectation of y would be less than the expectation of x. Therefore, C is actually false. Y and x are not independent because they are given by the relationship of y equals to a plus bx. Next, we try to obtain the covariance of xy. The covariance of xy is similar to the covariance of x and a plus bx. The covariance of x and a is equals to 0 since a is a constant. Next, we only have the covariance of x and bx. Taking b out of the covariance form, we have the b times the covariance of x with itself, which is just the variance. Hence, the covariance of xy is equals to b variance of x. Therefore, E is false. Then, we are left with A as the correct answer. This is how we do question 3.